Stephanie Rawlings Blake calls this an opportunity for the community, police and lawmakers to look at problems and fix them together.
But some law enforcement leaders oppose any changes that they say would weaken the rights of police officers. 11 News I-Team reporter Barry Sims is live here in the studio with more. Barry.
Donna and Stan, the mayor testified about House Bill 384, saying it would have no impact unless an officer is convicted in court. But members of the Fraternal Order of Police strongly opposed the bill, pushing for reforms that she hopes will put an end to police misconduct. Baltimore City Mayor Stephanie Rawlings Blake testified in Annapolis on behalf of a bill that would give the city's police commissioner broader powers to hold officers accountable for their actions. It would also eliminate an officer going before a police trial board if convicted of a misdemeanor with a sentence of a year or more in prison.
I want to say that we understand that there is a very small number of officers who don't deserve to wear the badge, that dishonor the legacy of the hard work of the police department, and we should look for ways together to root those officers out.
It was June of last year when a city surveillance camera captured a Baltimore City officer beating a man at a bus stop. The video caused outrage. The mayor and police department responded. But Commissioner Anthony Batts said he lacked the authority to take immediate disciplinary action. He was restricted by the Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights. It offers protections to officers who are accused of misconduct. The mayor says police need to rebuild trust within the community.
It could be one incident away from being a Ferguson or a Madison or a New York. These are very, very serious issues, and I think we have an opportunity in this time to stand together, law enforcement, elected officials, community members, and say that the status quo is not enough.
But others worry about weakening the law and taking away the rights of officers. They agree those who commit crimes should get weeded out, but they worry about others becoming targets of unfair and unjustified complaints.
There is nothing that currently has been presented that shows that this change is actually required or needed. We stand in opposition to this bill primarily for the fact that we are not Ferguson, we are not New York. The incident that occurred in Baltimore City is going to be addressed in.
Now, the FOP says that situation with the Baltimore officer is being handled under the Law Enforcement Officers' Bill of Rights. They don't think any change is necessary. The mayor says citizens are calling for more tools to handle bad officers. Reporting live from the studio, Barry Sims, WBAL TV 11 News.
Barry, thank you.